Welcome to a seated cardio movement session. A nice brain break, maybe a full workout for you. Let's go for 5, maybe 10 minutes. We won't worry about the time. We're just gonna be so mindful, so present as we get our heart rate up, maybe bring on a little bit of a sweat, that we'll forget about the time and just really be grateful that we can move these beautiful bodies as we start with a seated march. Every movement can be done standing up if you want. Choose your own adventure. If your mobility is a little limited, like mine is, just do what you can. Meet me where you're at. That is perfect. We're gonna move consistently through the whole session. We really do want to warm up our bodies, start to get the blood flowing, boost mood and energy, and see if we can't build some incredible cardiovascular endurance from a seated position in even 5 minutes or so. Okay, just twist, but do it with pace. Sit up nice and tall. I invite you to focus and bring your attention to your breath. Breathe into one side, out to the other. Really waking up our bodies to begin. Sometimes all we have is a few minutes. What can we do in that amount of time? Even from a seated position, oh, there's so much. Get outside, breathe in the fresh air. Just move your body gently. It can do absolutely wonders. Okay. Clap jack. Again, by all means, stand up for a couple of the exercises if you can, if it feels right. Get your hands underneath those legs. Reach your arms up nice and tall. I am gonna go quickly. I wanna go with pace. See if I can't even get myself out of breath from a seated position. You just do what works for you. Slow it down. If you need to, take a break. Yes. There's no perfect way to do these movements. If you're moving your body, that is the good stuff. Ooh, a couple more here. Great. Yes. Seal jack seated. Think of yourself as a seal. You're allowed to make some seal noises if you like. Okay. Maybe I'm not ready for that. You can tap your foot out as well. Yeah, maybe. Okay. That kind of works. My mobility is increasing every day. I still think maybe that movement's not there for me. So I'm just gonna do to one side, focus on what I can do, not what I can't. Oh, last one. Brilliant. Kick and punch. Sit up nice and tall. Get your leg up as high as possible. Twist just a little bit, and let's move. You got it. Don't forget to smile. You're moving your body today. That's pretty great. Couple more. Yes, 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 yes. Sit up all the way on the edge of your seat, of the edge of your chair. Side bend. Try to touch the ground. But go with pace. Feel that in the lower back. Really ground your feet. Feel your entire foot on the ground. And just move. Sort of like you're pumping your shoulders up and down. Building strength. Ooh, cardiovascular endurance, mobility, presence. Oh, what can't we do in even a short session? Okay. Yes, yes, yes. Come on up. I'm gonna go elbow to knee. Real big twist. Feel that in the entire core. Building that great core stability, healthy back, strong core, happy life. If you'd like, you're welcome to bring the knee up. This one doesn't really want to move just yet, so I do like it this way as well. We're going with pace, but just bending over a bit. You're gonna feel that in the lower back even more. Breathe into it and just go. Let's do it. 3, 2, 1. Vamos. Yes. Okay. Like a pop squat, if you're standing, you're going to reach with one hand and pop yourself up a bit if you like. From a seated position, I want to continue to bend a little bit. So just opposite hand, try to get it all the way to the ground. But because we're building amazing cardio endurance, we're gonna do it with pace. And by all means, if you just wanted to slow it down and breathe in and out, in and out, hallelujah, that's beautiful. I love when you modify. I love when you do the movement that's best for you. We're all at different places. We don't compare ourselves to anyone. Let's go. Maybe reach down just a little bit further. Bend your back a little bit more. If you feel pain, stop the movement. Tiny bit of discomfort, you decide. But if you're so present, you're so mindful, you'll know the difference. Oh, yeah, I can work through this. Nope, I should stop. This isn't working for me. Okay, last. Yes. We're gonna raise our heels up and open our chest. We are gonna start to slow it down just a little bit as we begin to wrap up this session already. If you're standing, a wonderful exercise for building balance. Come up onto the balls of your feet. If we're seated, this is great for building strength in our calf muscles as we open up our chest. Oh, see if you can't bring your shoulder blades together. One more quick reminder, no matter what the weather is where you're at, get outside. Embrace Mother Nature in all her glory. There's no bad weather, we say here in the Nordics, only bad clothing. Really open it up. I invite you to turn your head to the side now. Build that great neck mobility. Ooh, strengthen the upper back and the shoulders. Feels so good to move. One more to each side. Oh, great. Well done, well done. Come to the edge of your seat. I'm just gonna shift my body weight from side to side. If you're standing, this is a wonderful exercise. Shift of body weight is gonna build strength, mobility, great for core stability and balance, helping with our coordination, just so we can have trust and confidence in our bodies. But let's bring a moment of mindfulness into it. Head up high, just breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Just take in everything you've done. What a sense of accomplishment. You showed up, you moved your body. This can be enough. If it inspires you, encourages you to move more throughout your day, wonderful. But maybe this is all you needed today. Hallelujah. Beautiful. Head up high. Thank you so much. Life is beautiful. Go enjoy every aspect of it. I will see you tomorrow. Thank you so much. Goodbye.